Hello, this is Manesh Patel at IMTF Trade. Today I want to talk to you about tops and bottoms. Most people look at double tops as tops and triple tops and so forth. There's another way you could do that with IMTF. You basically look for these crosses right here. This is Bitcoin on a weekly time frame. The cross right here is right there. And what you do is once you have a cross there, if price gets below it and breaks the previous bar low right there and closes below it, this now designates the top of this instrument for at least a while. If it breaks the green line and keeps on going down, then that could be a possible high for that for a long time. So here we had a cross that developed at the beginning of the week. Price went below it, closed below it. This now designates the high for Bitcoin for a while. If you look at last time, same thing happened. Here's an example here, a cross above price. It did go below the previous week low, but it did not close below it. Since it did not close below it, it means it's not ready to go down. Over here, price opened here, went below the cross, went below the previous week low, and closed below it. That basically showed you that this is ready to go down and that it did do that. I'll show you another example. This is Tesla. You could see here Tesla here. There's a cross. Price went below the cross, went below the previous week low, closed below it. Now it's ready to go down. Where do you use your stop? The same bar that basically closed below the previous week low, the high is your stop right there. So you could see it consolidated a little, but then eventually went down too. This is how we find highs and lows for instruments across the board for any instrument, any time frame.